Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you the secret way to find dropshipping products before they go viral. So these are not the tools that are used by most of dropshippers. So you'll find a lot of the products and a lot of the a lot of things that you haven't even saw that they're selling very well. So the first solution that you should check out is called Merchant Words, right? So this is the largest database of shopper search trends. So there are billions of insights of consumer demand and shopping trends. Basically, whatever is selling, they're segregating data from Amazon, from they have the accurate Amazon search data, like how many people are searching for particular products on Amazon, and basically it takes the guesswork out of product research. This is like the plain data. It's not expensive. It's only like $20 or $30 that you pay for basic access, but you get a lot of data, a lot of insights in what's actually selling right now with Amazon, right? Another tool that you should check out is called Jungle Scout, right? So a lot of Amazon sellers are familiar with it. So this is Amazon research tool, and it's mostly used by like FBA sellers, but it's useful also for dropshipping because, for example, if someone is selling organically on Amazon, right, there's a good chance, like not everyone, not every time, but there's a good chance that the same product will sell successfully on Facebook, right? If you know how to position the value of the products, right? If you know how to position that product in a way where it's like valuable for a customer and can solve a particular problem for them, right? So it will tell you, Jungle Scout will tell you exactly how much money sellers are making per month with a particular product. So this is very valuable. So again, there is no guesswork, there's just like plain data, right? So let's say you've analyzed these tools, let's say you found some of the products that look very promising. So what you need to do next is find the same product on AliExpress, right? Or similar platform like where you're sourcing these products. Then verify the product in AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and it needs to be selling in around like 100 to 1,000 per day, orders, right? So if it's like 100 to 1,000 orders per day, this is like very good, like trending product, right? And see if there's like upward trend, right? So it's not necessarily the best way to validate this, but a lot of the times, if people are starting out, like they would source products on Amazon, because a lot of the bigger sellers, they don't work with AliExpress, they just work directly with agents and suppliers or with manufacturers, right? Or you can also verify the product using AliShark and see what's the sales trend. Is it like going up or is it going down? And you can check 3 or 7 days, right? So you can basically compare these two tools. Then open Google Trends, right? You search worldwide for the past like 5 years and you insert the product name and relevant keyword, right? So whatever the product is, just put the name of it, the relevant keyword, so you can see kind of like what is the trend of the product. So for example, certain topics, they just go crazy like during Q4 and they just drop and they're like very quiet like throughout the like rest like 9 months of the year, but during Q4 they're trending very well. So see if there's like upward trend, and then also see which are the top 5 countries that search for this term the most, right? So see like what countries this product is being searched the most, so use them in your targeting for your ads, right? So running the numbers, right? This is very important. Go back to AliExpress, right, and calculate your profits. So see if you can make sure that you can hit a price at least like 3x the product cost. So if you're selling the product for like, if you're buying the product for like $10, make sure you're selling that for at least like $30, ideally even more. So, and then calculate your break-even ROAS. So Facebook ads break-even ROAS, so here's a simple formula. So you divide 1 by gross profit, and gross profit is basically the price, and you deduct the cost of goods, then price multiplied by payment gateway fee, which is like typically like 3-4%, then Shopify fee, logistics fee, and others, other expenses. If you have like a virtual assistants, if you have like any software, so that's what you have to deduct from it, not including the ads fee. So whatever the rest you have is what you can spend on advertising, right? So that's basically how you calculate it. Then finding the right ad angle. So go back to Amazon, find the product, right? Start reading the reviews, and you will see if there are any reviews that are basically have like repeated words, right? For example, people are saying like, I bought this product for for my daughter, or I bought this product for, for my grandkids, and it's like was really helpful, and you find any like specific pain points that the product was able to solve for a particular person, this could be your angle, right? If you see any pattern, if you see like constantly some of the words like repeating, like that's an angle that you can utilize. So for example, I have used this product for my daughter or granddaughter, and it's like worked tremendously well, and it did this and this, right? And so find that reason why most people bought this product and use this in your ad copy. Oftentimes you can just use like Amazon testimonial copy, right? If that's like the same product that you sell, right? And if that is basically the same product that you sell, through AliExpress, oftentimes you'll find the same products on Amazon that, are on AliExpress. So a lot of the times you're able to use that same ad copy and then launch it, right? So it's very simple formula for launching the product if that's the right product. So 5 ad sets, 1 interest per ad set, plus 5 more interests overlapped with engaged shoppers, $20 per ad set, targeting 20 to 60 male and female. So basically all, unless you know exactly who's buying that product. So if on Amazon you checked and only females or males are buying the specific product, then just target them. Then detailed targeting. So you'd have like 300 to 2.5 million audiences for each ad set. You would use conversion window of 1-day click, and B strategy, you can just use automatic and lowest cost conversions. So this is very simple formula. This is very simple way to find dropshipping products before they go viral, before other advertisers start selling them. And with so many advertisers, with so many like competition, this is one of the ways to gain the competitive advantage and sell the products that people actually want to buy, that are validated by data, not just by guessing. So this is very useful approach that I found, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. And if you're looking for help with scaling your e-commerce business, there is a link in the description that you can where you can get like free strategy session with me or my team member, and you basically get personalized insights and guidance on how to scale your e-commerce business. If we are a good fit, we'll be working with you and helping you scale your business. So click on the button below, subscribe to my channel, put anything you're saying like in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.